Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Rivals on PC. First, you'll need to download and install the Roblox Player application on your computer. Once installed, either create a new, free Roblox account or log in using your existing credentials. After logging in, use the search bar to find Roblox Rivals. Click on the game's icon, then simply press the play button to launch into the action. It's a straightforward process to get started. Roblox Rivals offers several exciting game modes, primarily focusing on team-based combat. Your main objectives will often include capturing strategic points across the map or skillfully eliminating players from the opposing team. Most matches are designed to be quick and engaging, usually lasting anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Remember, teamwork is absolutely crucial for achieving victory and earning those valuable in-game rewards. Mastering the controls on PC is essential for effective gameplay. You'll use the familiar W, A, S, D keys to move your character around the map, and the spacebar will allow you to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground. Your mouse is key for controlling the camera view, letting you look around freely. Left-clicking typically initiates attacks or interacts with game elements, while right-clicking often activates secondary abilities or special actions. To truly dominate in Roblox Rivals, consistent practice is key for honing your aiming and movement. Take time to learn the strengths and weaknesses of different weapon types and their optimal ranges. Effective communication with your teammates through the in-game chat can turn the tide of any battle. Understanding the various map layouts will give you a significant tactical advantage. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with different character loadouts to discover a playstyle that suits you best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.